Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the time or how long your computer waits before the display turns off due to inactivity. This should be a pretty straightforward process, so let's jump right in. Start by opening the Search Magnify icon in your system taskbar and search for Control Panel. The best result should be Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icon and then select power option. Now, on the left side, choose when to turn off the display. Click inside the drop-down menu to set the time anywhere between 1 minute or never. If you choose never, your display will stay on indefinitely. I also recommend setting a similar time for putting the computer to sleep, which usually requires a password upon waking up. Once you've made your changes, click Save Changes. And that's it. It's a pretty straightforward process, so if this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!